Lawrence allowed the waves to lift him up and carry him towards the shore. The sea held no terrors for him as he calmly swam back the rest of the distance to the land. He ran home happily as the sea breeze evaporated the water of his body. A sense of urgency shook him. He did not have a watch or a clock at his home. He knew there was not much time left for the swimming competitions to begin. The competition itself did not worry him as he had been swimming all his life, but he had to reach the newly constructed stadium in about half an hour. He had been there before, and he knew that if he started now, he would be able to reach there just in time. Lawrence knew that it would be the biggest break in his life. If he got the chance to represent his district in swimming, there could be a way out of his present poverty. He had not been to school and felt that he was too old to start now, even though he was only 13. He knew that if he won the swimming contest, he would have the chance to attend special sports schools run by the government, earn a scholarship, and even hope for a government job later. Everything depended on his swimming, the swimming championship. He knew that he would not have many serious challengers. On the seafront, his swimming prowess was legendary. He had the rare gift of swimming fast as well as swimming over long distances. Presently, he was focusing on the 100-meter swim. He would consider taking up very short distance as well as long distance swimming later on. He reached home, wiped himself with a towel, and started out for the stadium. He was in a hurry to reach the stadium. If he took the recently developed road, he would take more time to reach. Hence, he turned towards the old road along the coast. This would also ensure that he would get fresh sea breeze all along the way. He wished he had a watch with him. There was no way of knowing whether he was on time or not. He cursed himself for staying in the sea for so long. He should have left earlier for the stadium, but he loved the sea too much. It was not possible for him to come out of the sea very easily. His feet stuck into the sand, and the smooth, round pebbles felt hot on his feet as he started running the rest of the way to reach the indoor stadium. Suddenly he heard a voice. For a moment he thought that it was the water which he had got into his ears which was making the sound. He listened more carefully and then he heard the sound again. It seemed to be the distinct voice of a woman crying somewhere. He crossed a hillock and looked towards the sea. There, indeed, was a woman. The moment she saw him, she began shouting and waving her hands frantically, indicating that someone was lost at the sea. For a moment, Lawrence balanced his options. He did not have much time left to go to the stadium and needed to hurry if he were to be in time for the swimming competition. On the other hand, his skill was probably needed to help someone.